Exposing the courtroom drama that's reshaping Zimbabwean politics, the courts have ordered the Citizen Coalition for Change, CCC, to pay $90,000 in compensation to the Movement for Democratic Change, MDC, led by Douglas Mwonzora. This ruling comes as Mwonzora's MDC retakes party offices in BYO, named Gertrude M. Thumbeni House, after they were previously occupied by CCC and youth groups aligned with former CCC leader Nelson Chamisa. Mwonzora, addressing journalists, confirmed that the compensation will bolster their mobilization efforts in Matabeleland. This development follows legal action by CCC's Sengezo Tshabangu, who argued that Chamisa's supporters unlawfully occupied and rebranded the offices. The court's decision not only restores the MDC's control, but highlights the ongoing political tensions within Zimbabwe's opposition parties. As the MDC plans to reclaim more offices across the region, the political landscape continues to evolve. Stay tuned for more updates.